in the morning I always drink a cup of tea. So this one is from Yogi Tea and there is always a positive quote, so I really like this tea. This morning I decided to make a protein ice cream. So in the blender I had some frozen bananas and frozen red fruits. So there were blueberries, gooseberries and raspberries. For the protein I used a vegan protein from Nu3. I will put you the link where you can buy it in the description box. And this one is vanilla, but you have also cookie cream, chocolate and strawberry. And finally I had a little bit of liquid, so here I used soya milk and you just have to blend it all. For the topping I used protein muesli, kiwi and strawberries, and for more protein I had hemp seeds and some peanut butter. To make zucchini spaghetti with Indian lentil meatballs. So you will need lentils, red and yellow peppers, onions, zucchini spaghetti, cherry tomatoes, tomato sauce, and some chickpea flour. Or in a blender, I had the lentils, the chickpea flour, half of the vegetables and some spices like paprika, cumin and turmeric. And you just have to make some meatballs. Bake them for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And finally add the tomato sauce and spices with the rest of the vegetables. In dessert I eat some bread with vegan cheese. This one is from J&Joy and it's my favorite brand for vegan cheese. It's made with cashew nuts and you have some garlic, oregano and thyme in this one. After my workout I have a snack, so in a bowl I had oats with an applesauce and I also eat my homemade vegan brownie. It's made with red beans and it's high in protein. It's so good, and if you want the recipes you can ask me in the comments. It doesn't look appetizing but I promise you it is so good. And finally for dinner I made some pasta with a vegan alfredo sauce. So you will need the pasta of your choice, silky tofu, chickpea, soya milk, cauliflower, onions and 1 leek, some mushrooms and spinach. In a pan, cook the onions and the leek, and at the same time cook your pasta and your cauliflower. When the cauliflower is ready, in a food processor or in a blender, make the cauliflower, the thick tofu and the milk, and put it in a pot and cook at low temperature to thicken it. When it's done, you just have to add all the ingredients and it's ready. So at the end of the day, I eat 60-74 kilocalories and my goal is around 70-100 kilocalories. I eat 235 grams of carbs, 100 of protein and 36 grams of fat. Since few weeks, I try to eat 60% of carbs, 20% of protein and also 20% of fat. I found this repartition on a video of Stephanie Moore. I will leave you her channel in the description box, and this really helped me to organize my diet. So I hope that you like this video, and if you want me to make more video like what I eat in a day, you can ask me in the comments and I will be happy to do this.